What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox connection error, or basically the loading problem in Roblox. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting any of these errors, the easiest way to basically fix this is, if it's the connection one, the best thing you should do is pretty much go to your Wi-Fi settings, and if you're connected via Wi-Fi, turn it off and try to turn on the game via a mobile network instead, right? Basically your phone's internet. If you're already connected via your phone's internet, do the opposite, right? Try to connect via your hotspot and see if that fixes it for you. If those two options don't work, the next thing you want to do is, if you're on Android, you can actually clear the cache off your app. So go to your settings, clear the cache, and see if it fixes it for you. And if not, just delete the app on both iOS or Android and re-download it again. Again, nothing gets deleted from like your files perspective. The cache gets deleted, which could be causing the issue. You just need to know what your username and password is, so you're able to just like log back in and do what you needed to do. So yeah, once you do these steps, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please do something. You guys try to make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Other than that, more tutorials out. Peace.